figs again there. Alright, today's project, this Schrade OTF out the front pocket knife. Ended up grabbing it at a yard sale. It is messed up. Alright, I'm having a hard time zooming. Okay, there we have it. As you can see, the tip is missing. Also got all kinds of gunk on here with debris and whatnot. And I'd like to bring her back to life. Okay, so I have a few options on how to repair this tip. I can notch off and make it into a spear point like how it used to be, or I can go a different route. In this case, I'm going to go a different route, and the reason why is if I go, let's go over here. If I do this tip here into a spear point, I'm going to eliminate a lot of this material up here and down here, and I don't want to do that because it's quite thick here at that edge. Yep, as you can see, right? So I'm getting bare over here. Let me get this little stick here so I can point it out. Alright, so what I think I'm going to do is make this into a tanto tip. Slight angle, come up, and then I'll sharpen the tip, the tanto tip. I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's rust or, oh, looks like it's coming out. So we'll figure that out. But first things first is get in the shop and do this here. I just changed the belt to an 800 grit sandpaper. Now I'm going to dress that tip. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go like so and grind that flat so I won't have no inconsistencies. Alright, probably can't see that, but now it's nice and flat. So now, don't want to ruin the heat treat, and I'm going to go slowly, dunk it into water every so often. I want to get this edge here, the bottom, to line up with this top edge. So let me do that. Alright, now as you can see, nice and flat. And now grind off these two sections and match it with this here. Okay. Looking good. Now take her apart, clean it all up, and I'll show you how it looks when it's all done. That was an easy fix, huh? bit left and right.